Today we just witnessed Virat Kohli bowling in India-Bangladesh World Cup match 2023. And why it happened? Because Hardik Pandya was bowling and at the same time when he was trying to field the ball, that time he fell down, he got injured, he couldn't continue bowling and that is why he was there. Now the question comes, what happened to Hardik Pandya? Will he be able to bowl again in this tournament, in this match or not? And for that I have come with this video to tell you all about the mechanism of injury, what it might have occurred. So now just let's focus when he is bowling. After that, when he's trying to field the ball, what is happening over here, that first he removes his right leg. Same time, we just have to notice his left leg. What is happening over here? So left leg, as we can see over here, the knee is bending, as well as we can see that ankle is going for more of plantar flexion as well as eversion. And that is why we can expect that definitely there is some injury in the ankle. It can be upper ankle sprain or lower ankle sprain. Now upper ankle sprain may be syndesmotic sprain of ankle. Lower ankle sprain might be something wrong with the middle ligament, which may be deltoid ligament over there. So if ligament sprain is there, if it is grade 1, grade 2, we don't have to worry at all because it can recover faster, maybe 10 to 15 days. We can get him back on the field. If it is grade 3 injury, we have to worry a little. But let's see, he has undergone for scanning and we will come to know the results soon that what exactly has happened. But fingers crossed guys that apna Hardik bhai jaldi thi ramba માટે પાછા આવી જાય ગ્રાઉન્ડ ઉપર and we win this World Cup 2023 for India.